Hi, my name's Alex CARLUCCI with GustanCho.com. How do you know if you qualify for a loan or not? That's a question that was asked to me. It's real easy. You just call me and I'll tell you. So, but I'll tell you exactly, kind of give you a cheat sheet how you can kind of do it. So let's make sure you have a W-2 job for the last 2 years. Then it's easy for you to do it. But if you're self-employed, it gets really more complicated. You need to be on the job for 2 years. When you're self-employed, you have to, not write off all your expenses. You have to show an adjusted gross income, average the last 2 years. You get to add stuff back. A little more complicated. But let's just pretend you're a straight W-2 employee. You take your gross yearly income, divide it by 12 months, hit 50% of that. So you got 50% of your monthly income. That's what you can use to spend on a mortgage, your car, your credit cards, and 5% of your collections if you're going FHA or student loans, hit for 1% of the student loans. They'll give you a good gauge. So let's say you make $6,000 a month, 50% of that's $3,000. Let's say your car and credit cards are $1,000. That leaves you with $2,000 to spend on a mortgage. You can go online and get some mortgage calculators. Make sure you get the PMI in there. If you're putting less than 20% down, make sure you put the monthly taxes, the monthly insurance, and you can get a good gauge if you qualify for mathematics. Now, credit, you got to have good credit. If you have borderline credit, there's no way for you to determine it. You need to talk to a specialist like me. I want you to call me if you are. But if you got like 800 credit scores, you're probably going to get approved if you stay under that 50% DTI. Also, you need to have some money in the bank. If you don't have any money for down payment and closing costs, you have to have a way to get it. Gift funds from your parents, seller credits for the closing costs. So if you can figure out how to get the money, then that's it. So it's credit, income, and money. Those are the three biggest things we use to qualify someone. So if you can figure that out for yourself, you can get a gauge. But if you want to know exactly, you got to call me, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.